Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about different operators. So first of all, let's comment this code and write a new script tag. So script, let's say we have a variable a is equal to 2 and variable b is equal to 3 and variable c is equal to 4 and variable d is equal to 5. Now let's say console.log and we want to plus a and b, so a plus b is equal to, and we will console it so we can see the result. So you can see a plus b is equal to 5, which is 2 plus 3. In the similar way we can subtract it, so a minus b, and we can see the result, so it's minus 1, or we can say b minus a, and now you can see it's 1. So it's just like normal mathematics. Now let's say multiplication. So b multiplied by a, which is 2 3, so the answer is 6. And the similar way we can do division. So it is the per division we use the slash sign, and if we divide it, so you can see 1.5. Now let's try another one. So if we divide c by a, so let's see the result. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to a. Now let's see the remainder. So for the remainder we use the percentage sign and refresh. So 4 divided by 2 give you 0 remainder. Let's say we divide d by it, so it will give you 1 remainder. So you can see the result, 5 divided by 2 will give you 1 remainder. Now the operator precedence. So let's say console.log a plus b multiplied by c. So what do you think the result will be? So first it should do the multiplication and then the addition. So b multiplied by c is equal to 12 and plus 2. So the result should be 14. So let's see. And now you can see the result is 14. In a similar way, we can try division as well. So let's say divide by a. So now what do you think the result should be? It should pass to the division, then multiplication, and then addition. So now you can see c divided by a, which will give you 2, and 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 3 are 6 and plus 2. Now let's say we want to change the order. So for example, we want to do a plus b first, so we will enclose it in the brackets. And now let's see the results. So now the result has been changed. So a plus b is equal to 5 multiplied by c divided by a. So c divided by a will give you 2. So pi multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Now let's say we want the multiplication pass. So b multiplied by c, then divided by a, then the addition. Now you can see b multiplied by c. Suppose 3 are 12 and 12 divided by a, which is 2. So the answer is 6, and 6 plus a is equal to 8. So in this way you can do the mathematics operations. In this way you can do the mathematical operation and change the precedence what you want to calculate past. You can assign it to the variable. For example, let's say variable e is equal to a plus b multiplied by c, and let's console.log e. So now let's check the result. So you can see b multiplied by c 12 and a, so the 14. We can concatenate it with strings. So for example, console.log a plus b multiplied by c is equal to e. So now the result is 14. So you can do it the same way, and this has not been calculated because it is a string. Now let's say console.log we want to a is equal to a plus 1. You want to increase the value of a by 1. So you can console.log. Now the value of a should be, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The value of a should be 3. So it's 3 now, and we can use a shortcut for this. A plus is equal to 1. Like this, we are getting the same result. Now let's say we are at here 2, refresh, and you now it's added the value 2 to the value of a. We can use another shorthand as well. So a plus plus, it should be 3, but you will see a here, 2 here, and you can see 2 here. Why? Let's console it in the next line. Now here you will see 3, because at first show the value of a and then increment it by 1, and in the next line we show a, so the value of a is already 3. So let's change it, and if we write plus plus on the other side, so now it will see 3 here. So now you can see 3 and 3. So that's how you can do some mathematics. So let's say a plus variable d variable f is equal to a plus plus, and show f here. So you can see for, let's say, value of f. So the value of f should be 4. Let's give us a space here, and now let's say a plus plus. So the value is 3. Why is that? Because it first assign the value and then increment it. So if we show the value of a, so you will see it's 4 here because it assigned the value. So let's remove this one first. The value of a is 2. Now it's assigned to f, so it will be 2 and then increment it. So here the value of f should be 2 and then here it should be 3. Let's refresh and you can see. So that's it for this video now. Thank you and see you in the next video.